Well, I'm back started on the Galaxie, and basically I got this all sanded out. You can see that primer isn't very thick. You can see the metal through it in a few places and a little bit of the filler right there, but it's all, and a little bit of the filler right there, but it's all blocked out. And I'm going to red oxide it and then block that out. And I think that'll be another day, maybe tomorrow or something. And I'm going to try and get that cowl strip so I can get it painted too. And then I think tomorrow I'm going to try and red oxide this and sand the trunk lid out. And I'll start trying to strip that. I put the top frame down just because the car looks better sitting here with the frame down. But yeah, that'll, after I get the door on and I think the panels lined up, the trunk lid, then I'll work on that frame. What I thought I'd do is drag the plastic completely over the car, cut some of the plastic out, run the top up, pull the plastic back, tape it up, and then I can paint the top. I'm not painting this piece, so I'll just take that off so I can paint all this. Then after it's all painted, I'll lubricate everything, change the cylinders. I'll paint that other header I have that's up here from Bill. He sent me from that, Bill Lane sent me that, so I'll get that painted at the same time, and we'll get that, all the top mechanism on. And you know, maybe just good chance, you know, I might be able to get a top on it yet this year. The door's been sanded for a couple of days. It's masked off. I'm gonna take it out and shoot some red oxide on it, and then I'm gonna bring it back in. Then maybe I'll take the trunk lid out and start wet sanding it. But we're gonna do the red oxide now. I don't know, it's 90 out, so hopefully, you know, it looks all right. Well, it's in the upper 80s anyway, 87, 88. But I want to get this primed. All right, I'm gonna try and spray it. The stuff dries almost fast. It comes out of the gun. And with the wind, I don't see a need for running a respirator. I'm not even smelling anything. One final coat. Let me just bring you over here and show you how fast this stuff dries. I mean, you can see it kind of. I can get the camera a little closer because of the wind. But watch, just watch as it dries. Yeah, you can see it dries pretty rapidly. Might as well just empty the gun. Give me a little bit more to sand out. That looks pretty good. I'm going to call that primed up. Go clean the gun. Give you a quick... You can see it's still drying a bit where it's glossy. I tried to put it on a little heavy where the body work was so I could make sure that it's all good. Looks pretty good. Alright, I'm going to go clean the gun. Yeah, it came out alright. I'm going to try and sand it out Friday and the trunk lid and maybe paint Saturday or Sunday. I just don't want to paint when it's 90 degrees out. But it looks pretty good. Give that a good sanding and the trunk lid a good sanding. I got that ready to sand, and yeah, I'll hopefully be able to put the car together. So if you like the video, hit the like button. It definitely helps. Like I say in the past, you know, in all my videos, it definitely helps to like, share, whatever, you know. It'll pay for a new convertible top, hopefully with more views. And if you like my channel, hit the 348 engine and subscribe to it. And thank you for watching.